You know, me sit down and me reflect on Jamaica, land where I love so much. And you know, me there and me a pray all the violence that are taking place in our beautiful island of Jamaica. And you know, one of the problems with me really feel Jamaica have is not with the criminals alone. I feel like one of the problems with Jamaican have is also the ill will not to have all law-abiding Jamaicans armed. Yo, it really hurt me heart for some of the things when we see take place in a Jamaica. It hurt me to the bone. As a Jamaican who is, I would say, a partial victim of police brutality, me still have to big up the good police them 100% for the jobs that they are doing. But Mr. Government HILNESS, the Minister of National Security, may I beg you, please, let all law-abiding Jamaicans get the opportunity to go to FLA and get them firearm. Because I can tell you this, more criminals, more of these dirty criminals would have met their maker if more Jamaican people have their personal license firearm to protect themselves. You know, if you remember this, you know, man, police card everywhere. Now, when you look and see criminals kicked off someone's door or cut their way through someone's grill and enter their dwellings and ordered 2 persons to leave and then murdered the other 2. Oh my God. Government of Jamaica, you no need to step up the game. These are the reasons why me love America, you know. Me love America, and me I tell you this, man. Trust and believe. America. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Big up. May I say this again? Big up SOS Guardsman for allowing us diplomatic securities to get our visa so we can spread our wings. Because may I tell you, if it wasn't for me working with SOS Guardsman, probably I would still be in Jamaica. Because who knows, I would probably go by the embassy and get turned down. Because me realize a lot of people I know that goes by the embassy and get turned down. Some of them for even no reasons is because of their address. But myself and many more were fortunate enough to be working with the US Embassy, get to a visa, and whatever happens, somehow we jump ship, somehow we just decide say, yo, we are migrate. But me have to give thanks because me I tell you that Jamaica is just so far behind. Every law-abiding Jamaica should have them personal firearm. Because most of these criminals wouldn't even think to approach your dwelling if them know say you're armed. Because them know bullet are gonna reach them. It hurt me to see what really are going in a Jamaica, the land of wood and water where we love so much. What is going on? What is going on? And me I gonna say this again. Big up to all of the good police them. We have tried them best to rid the island of criminals elements. Big up to all of them. You understand me? I say, big up to all of them. And for the bad ones, may God go with you, because few days are coming. When I said earlier, I'm the victim of partial police brutality. Me dear Jamaica, you know. Me a countryman. And me left country and come to town. And I remember one day, I used to work at Prestige Bakery before I start do security. And me I tell you, say, yo, one day me I come from work, you know. But then again, sometimes you can even too blame the police them, because the yard of me did live in, and me can call out the yard of me did live in, number 10 Jordan Road in a Kingston 13. Bad man place. And my yard was what they call the big yard. Every dan, and my yard them used to hang out in. And remember me and my brother and my big sister brother live over the yard in a star. And every night, the man them pack up in the yard with them tall up. And you don't know, say, we as man, we live in the yard. So it's either you're with them or you're not with them. Me and my brother start par with the man them in the star. Hang out par wall with the man them. Out there with the man them, you know. Me and my brother cook curry chicken and rice would have kill them at night time. And we are cooking and feed them. Even though I have my job. But me I tell you, say, yo, you see, sometimes it's not even really worth it for you living at the ghetto as someone who really want a bright future. Because if you're living at the garrison, you know, sometimes you're forced to do things that you really don't want to do, you know. You understand me, I say? Because if war go on, and you go on like say, yo, as a man, you know what? Stand up for the man them who are defend the community. Them are go pray you. You understand me? I say, so me and my brother was a Christian, you know. My brother all go to church every Sunday, you know. You understand me? I say, and night time when we look, my brother all out there whole wall with cut off shotgun. You understand me? I say, me over there, so, with big Glock. And enough time I say to myself, youth, and what you do? And what you do, you got dead, youth. You got dead or go to prison. Yo, me I tell you, you know, people, you don't know, say, yo. Me say, no, and I might think this. Me no want to see my mother ban her belly and ball. You understand, so? Me stop, you know. Me stop do it. Me start work at the bakery. And in the night, just because me no want to hang out per corner with no weapon, with no bad man, me start run off a stall at half a tree for my sister. You understand me? I say, sometimes I get me deer from the bakery, me deer me yard in my house and me asleep. Me door lock up, not even breathe, me not breathe hard. Because the man them out there in the yard and me not even want them know say me in the house. So you don't know, say, yo, you don't know, say, one morning, the Dan for the area, out there in the yard, and it's like him and the thugs them out there talk, you know. You don't know, some ear when the Dan ask one of the youth. So what happened to them youth, yeah? What them I deal with? Them not helping out again. And one of the youth turned to him and said, yo, me no know where them depend, you know. You know what the Dan turned to the youth and say, yo, if them not helping out, you know, you better not just beat it by them, you know. Me I said to myself, bumbleclad. And that him really say, I want to come out of my eye in a star. Because even though we not hang out with the dude them out there again, and we still a cook for them, you know. Make sure say, yo, them well fed at night, you understand me I say? And mind you, my brother is a chef. And me can cook, so we a cook for the youth them. The man say, yo, any man know what you know, beat it by them, you know. And that the dance to the dude them, you know, and me I say, bumbleclad. At that time, my brother did work. Me say, yo, it was a board floor. And me I tell you, say, yo, me stand up at the one spot for about 3 hours because me no want move. Because me no want no man know say me there in the house and me hear what go on. You understand me I say? So you don't know, say, yo, after the man them left, me call my brother and I show him what I go on. You understand me, I say? And right there and then, me know, say, yo, we have a decision to make. It's either we are going to join them and start with the fuckery, or we have to go lift up. You understand, so? We join them and start with the fuckery again, you understand me, I say? Like when them are going go sleep, them would have left the tools them with we. You understand me, I say? Yeah. And we still a cook for them and thing. Make them feel like we're the part of them side, but right there and then we still a plan for cut. You understand me, I say? Yo, people, you don't know, say, yo. About a week after we cut, you know. About a week after me and my brother cut. I think it was a Friday evening. The whole of the man them, including the Dan, they in the yard in a star. And me here say, yo, enemies. Some there front and some over the wall. Some jump in the yard and start big shot pan the man them, bro. You understand me, I say? The man them start big shot pan all the Dan because the Dan the day in the yard, you know. We can call all the Dan name Bunto. Bunto. And the Dan name. I'm not afraid to call the man name. You don't know, say, yo. Still live a Maxfield, you know, but closer to half a tree. Me live, you understand me, I say? And I think it was about 5 of them, or 7 of them, enemies, slap them down. Me hear say when the boss all jump the wall and try escape, man over the wall, a beat shot pan him. That I will me hear. But I think it was about 5 to 7 of them. The man them flush out the whole of them. If me and my brother did still live in that yard there, we dead. Me would have start talk now. Luckily, me and my brother did move, and then our other brother, which is not our brother, I'm his sister brother still. Him did already fly out. You understand me, I say? Everybody dead. All the done dead. Youth are youth. Me I say this to say that youth. Wanna find something more constructive to do in the life. Or else on the mother I go ball, on the father I go ball, on the woman I go ball, on the youth I go ball. I whole heap of people I go ball for you because let me tell you this youth. On the now go win. Let me tell you this bomber will kill this waste man. Uno will never win the law. No matter how much people in the dirt, few no days are come. And that you don't need to know. And that you don't need to know. I want to know youth to understand on yourself, youth. There's better things to do than get up every day, sit on a corner with gun in on the waist and a rub out on the hand miggle youth. Youth, no matter how life hard, all when your pocket empty and have no money, life still sweet, youth. You don't need to stop the bloodshed, bro. You don't need to stop, bro. Because more, me not even gonna say most of you. No, boy. No, boy out there commit crime and take people life. You know are dead. Because as police, hold on pa you know. Some of you shit up in all pants, youth. Youth and youth, you don't need to stop the fucker, youth. Preserve life, youth. Life nice in a youth. I want to know, youth. You know how much man me see drop out all in front of my face. Me remember one day me there in my house and I look through my window. A man just walk up on a man and say, yo, run now, no. Blook! Lick out the marrow. And me I say, yo, Jano, youth, you don't need to understand this, youth. There's much more to life than crime and violence. And when you don't work for yourself, you stop doing it to other people and them family, youth. You stop. No matter how nobody know youth. No matter how nobody, no matter how you feel like you're bad, you can't beat the system, youth. And that you don't even know, you can't beat the system. I don't know if the pretty casket and the see-through casket and the nice grave you want to get, I want to see when a friend them get, you jealous for. And that you don't want to. Youth, you don't need to stop. I beg you, you don't need to stop, youth. Again, big up to all of the police them we are do the great job and I try curb the island of these criminal elements. But again, Mr. Government, may I beg you, please, and all you Jamaicans people, both male and female, who is law abiding, the man them we use the money and I go do all manner of evil First, me ask you, Mr. Government, free up the system so the people them can go up a FLA and get them firearm. And for the people them who put money to good use, go up a FLA and apply for a tool. And any boy I try breach on the place, clap it for them, go arrange and learn to shoot. Have to protect on life, brother. Because police carry everywhere. You understand me, I say? Have to protect on life and on family life. You understand me, I say? Me tired of this now, man. Me tired of this. Too much people are lose them life just because them can't defend themselves. Once anywhere in the US, you can't just walk in a store and just go buy your firearm. Once you're not a felon, you don't have no conviction for your name. You understand me, I say? So why is Jamaica so far way back? And my business when nobody wants about is not Jamaica alone. A Jamaica me I talk about, I'm a Jamaican. The government needs to free up the things so people can go to FLA, apply for them firearm and get them firearm. People who don't even save the money and go to FLA, go apply for the firearm. Once you know bad people and you have no conviction under your name, you understand me I say, and people need to get them firearm. You understand me I say? As a matter of fact, I feel like Jamaica should have run like how America run. You just walk in a gun store with your ID and then do your background check. And once your check come back clear, you can purchase your firearm and you're good to go. Everything too bumper class hard in a Jamaica, man. Everything too hard. What the fuck? Less people would have dead in a Jamaica if law-abiding citizens did have them firearm. Less people would have dead. And more criminal would have dead. More criminal would have dead if every law-abiding citizen did have them firearm. And that you don't even know. And one thing me can say, the only reason why the government must not really free up the system so law-abiding citizens can't get them firearm is because the government love when you're dead. If the government did care about you, it would have free up the thing. You understand me I say? Lord, please me I beg you, cover Jamaica under your blood, especially the law-abiding people of Jamaica, Lord, and flush out all criminal, all murderers, all rapists, all shit in a plate. Flush out the whole of them and send them to the deepest part of hell. 20 plus 20 underground. Please. Jamaica, big up on yourself, stay blessed. People, may I tell you no? You have to protect yourself. Somewhere, somehow. Because I don't see how now. Then again, I don't see how you go there in your house. And you hear people cut off on a grill. Or I try breaching on the house. And brother, sometimes you can defend yourself, you know. May I tell you? Sometimes you have to be the surprise. You have to surprise some of these gunmen. Sometimes when a boy kick off all on the door, they come in on the house. And one by machete to reach them. One by cutlass. Yo, brother, me I tell you no. You have to keep on the machete sharp. Tell it white in on the house. And on the stop sleep so fucking dead. You understand me I say? Enough of them batty boy you wanna see. Kick off people door and come in at them house. Most of you people, if you never coward, enough of them gunmen you would have dead in our house, you know. Last them up. If you don't even get one, last him up. If you don't even dead, trying, bro. You better not try. You understand me I say? You have to help the police them, bro. Jamaican citizens, you have to help the police them in whatever way you can. And enough of you harbor criminal, enough of you know the gunman them, enough of you know the murder them because me live in a ghetto. Me live in a ghetto, so me know me I say. A ghetto me did live in a. And we know the whole of the bad boy them. All of them. Me did know the whole of the bad boy them in my area. Most of them dead and gone. Dead out and gone. You understand me? I say, brother, I want to know. Want to know. You know, relax, man. You're Jamaica. Big up on yourself. And to the good police, them we have do them job the right and proper way. In accordance with the law, you know, big up on yourself. Jamaica will be better one day. But me I tell you, better can come really fast. If law-abiding citizens get just the one chance where they need to go FLA, apply for them firearm and get it. Have a good day, my people. Jamaica land we love.